Hello, my name is Justin. I am going to be building this object here in our newest 3D modeling software called Rhino. I've actually messed with Rhino quite a bit this week compared to last week. It's actually really fun because it's quite similar to Autodesk Inventor. And don't worry, I got a print out model, so I won't be bringing up that picture anymore. I will worry about that one later. Okay, so we have this object that's 100 centimeters, 100 millimeters by 50, and I'm pretty sure I got that. Right. Yep. Okay. So now we're going to extrude this up to 65 millimeters. So now we have our object. And now we need to make a couple more rectangles. Turn that center off. Okay, let's set the C-plane to 65. Bring out to there. Bring you to there. All right. We're going to do the same over here, but there's an easier way. We can use the mirror tool to mirror this thing across here. Bada bing, bada boom. Quick and easy and no fuss at all. So we're going to have this be 4 millimeters wide and going all the way to there. Alright, so now let's extrude each of these by a -50 because we need to have 15 millimeters on the back side and this bottom side here. And now we're going to use a Boolean difference to keep this object here, but we're going to be removing these three to get our shape. Not sure why those things keep coming up. It's very frustrating like that. Okay, so we're going to change these to technical views. That works a whole lot better. Okay. Now I'm going to go into our perspective mode, and we are going to be needing 4 chamfers, which, no, 4 fillets, I mean. Which is pretty much rounding these corner parts here. And we have 4 of those here, 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 and here. Double press enter, and we have our fillets. Now we need 1 chamfer, which is basically like a diagonal cut along the edge of here. And hey, look at that. We're almost done. Now, going back to here, we're going to go to our right view. And from this bottom part here, we're going to be going up 25 millimeters and making a 12 radius circle. Okay, so this part's 5. This is 10. This is 10. So it's going to be right here. We are also going to be needing a rectangle from that point there up to here. We're going to be extruding these two objects here. It's going to be pulled back to here. We're going to use our Boolean difference. Keep this object. Get rid of these two. So we have that. Yay, we're almost finished. Sweet. Okay. Now we're going to go to our top point of view. And we need to get circles 15 millimeters in here. Since I know how to do this, I could just eyeball it. Or just make this bigger and get an accurate one. But I know that this right here is 15 and 15. And we're going to be having a radius of 6. Mirroring this on the side. We're going to extrude both of these down. Boolean difference those. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. Alright, now we just need to make one last hole and we will be done. So let's go back to our front point of view. Zoom in here. And it's going to be 15 in, 15 down. So it's going to be in this spot here. And it's going to be a radius of 5. Go back. Extrude. Go all the way here. And Boolean difference it. And there we have it. A perfect representation of the model. I've actually made this a couple of times. And it gets easier every time we make it. It's always fun making these things. Or actually making anything. Yeah. So that's about it for that. So yeah. Build 3, donezo. Bye.